How to send disappearing photo in Telegram. Go ahead and open up the Telegram app on your phone. Next, select the account you want to use to send the disappearing photo. Just tap on the account you want to send it to. At the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll see a little paperclip icon. Tap on that one. Now, you have to decide which photo you want to send. You can either choose one from your photo gallery or take a new one with your camera. If you want to add a caption, tap on where it says Add a Caption below the photo. Look at that number 1 next to the caption. Tap on it. Now, you get to choose how long the photo stays visible after it's opened. You can choose from View Once or set it to disappear after 3, 10, or 30 seconds. Or, if you don't want it to disappear at all, select Do Not Delete. Once you've picked the time you want, just confirm it. Finally, tap on the Send button, and off it goes. Your disappearing photo is on its way. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to send disappearing photos on Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching.